Create this summer peachy glam with me using all SAOI Cosmetics brushes. Starting with our fluffy S07 brush, I'm applying a medium brown tone directly into my crease and blending up towards my brow. I'm then using the side of the brush to apply to the outer corner of my lid. With our S06 concealer brush, I'm tapping a light concealer shade onto the centre and inner corner of my lid. Once most of the product is off my brush, I'm using the detailed rounded tip to softly define my crease. I'm doing this to create a bright structured base for the peachy eyeshadow. Using the warmth of your finger is a great way to blend the concealer flawlessly into the darker eyeshadow. Since I don't have the light peach colour I want, I'm mixing both a peach and white eyeshadow onto our S05 brush. I'm then pressing this onto the concealer base, slowly layering until the concealer is fully covered and I'm happy with the shade. To add some definition to the eye, I'm going to add a smoky brown wing. To start, I'm using a brown pencil and messily creating a wing shape to the outer corner. Then, with our small detailed S03 brush, I'm pressing a deep brown eyeshadow over the liner. To blend the deep brown, I'm using the same S03 brush and the same shade we used in the crease and outer corner. I'm applying this just slightly above the smoky wing for a beautiful fade. I'm then taking whatever concealer was left on our S06 brush and softly cleaning up the outer corner. To line the lid, I'm taking our super thin S01 brush with some brown gel eyeliner and lining as close to the lash line as possible. This brush is the best for a precise, smooth application. To finish off the look, I've popped on some lashes and applied a cream pencil to my waterline. I'm now using our S03 brush to precisely apply some of the dark eyeshadow to the outer corner of my bottom lashes. I'm then softly blending out with our S07 brush and some of the transition shade. Lastly, I'm using the tip of our S01 brush to create a super thin inner corner wing. And that's it. I hope you love this look. Thank you so much for watching.